Yo, I know it's been a minute, y'all. It's been a couple days since y'all seen me post last because your boy was down, man. Your boy was down, but I'm back. I'm back. Feel good too. So, man, today I gotta run the Jeep up to the old tire shop, man, cause that junk got a we came out yesterday, finna ride, man. Thought we was finna ride good, and the tire was flat, man. Well, most of y'all said it was low because it wasn't all the way to the ground, but it was flat because there wasn't enough pressure in it to really do anything. And I went and put air in it, trying to figure out, like, why is it doing that? It got a little low again as we were driving it. So, figured out the culprit. Now see that? I don't think that's supposed to be doing that. So, what I'm about to do, man, run up here to the tire shop real quick and get that fixed. And get on about our journey for today. As y'all know, mine is like, what's today's date? The 13th. Y'all know, man. In a couple days, couple days. My battery low. Let me go change my battery right quick. Yeah, man, like I was saying, I'm about to go and fix this tire. This valve stem real quick, and then we gonna get to doing what we do, whatever we gotta do today, because it's yeah, I don't know, man. It's I ain't gonna even say it's a countdown no more because it's here. Like, man, the wedding is here, man. The wedding is here. Yeah, man, it's here, man. 25th. Today the 13th, man, so I got what? 12 days? I got 12 days, man. That ain't even a full 2 weeks. To be straight up with you. That ain't even a full 2 weeks. So, yeah. It's been a long time coming. And now we here. Now we are here, man. And it's all good. I feel good about it. So, yeah, I don't feel jittery or nothing like that. Maybe it ain't got close enough, I guess. I don't know. But I know one thing. These gray hairs are sure making their appearance. So maybe that's saying something. Maybe they're saying something about this right here. Man, them boys deep up here too, man. Eesh. Everybody done tore their tires up. I just want I just need me a little fast then, man. I don't want no smoke. Yeah, let me go and check on this here, y'all, and I hit y'all right back. Yes, sir. So now I'm finna get the pressure checked on them. Finna get the pressure checked on the other three because the tire pressure light keep coming on. So I don't know what's what, you know what I'm saying? But it got them valves still got pressure sensors on them, so hopefully ain't there another one bad, cause I don't want to pay for another one right now. But just check the pressure on the man and see if the pressure up to par, cause you know these lights be annoying on these jump, like annoying. So yeah, let me check these right quick and see what's happening. What's up, y'all? Man, hey look, y'all go ahead and do me a favor, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Like and comment. I'd really appreciate it. But I'm back outside, man. Back outside. I fill y'all in on all the details later. But anyway, man, I'm about to go pick up my dog. Brand Nasty. And I'm gonna go do some things real quick. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Footage, man. First day back at, man. First day back at. And yeah. Yes, sir. Do it to him, baby. Do it to him with your nasty ass. Yo, so like I said earlier, man, my first day out, man. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just get straight to it, man. So somewhere, something strange, I don't know, but me and Ash end up catching COVID, man. So I don't know how, I don't know from where, but yeah, man, I sitting up here sick with the COVID, man. The kids didn't get it. Kids didn't get it or anything like that. My experience with it, I wasn't sick. I had a headache that one night. Matter of fact, it was after that night, me and Percy had went up to the we had rolled out or whatever. I came home that night and I was having headaches, and I was like, damn, I got a headache for? Didn't really think nothing of it. I woke up and my face, like up in here, like real stuffy and tight. Like I was like, damn, what is that? Still didn't think nothing of it, but like it wasn't going away. So I end up going to get a COVID test, man. They told me well, it came back positive. I was like, damn, like where I get this shit from? Then me and Ashley went and got a COVID test together, because she was kind of sick, but not really. Like her throat was scratchy or whatever. So she ended up testing positive also. So yeah, man, we've been on quarantine, man, since I don't remember what day it was, but it's been over 10 days. My test came back negative today, so I came outside, man. Got me an old cigar, but I said I didn't have any bad symptoms. Like I didn't really feel bad, other than the headache and that the stuffiness feeling. And I end up, I said probably like 4 or 5 days in, I ended up losing my taste, losing my smell. But the next day after I lost my taste and my smell, it came back. So I don't know. But I never felt bad. Now she got like the bad end of it. Like she was coughing and her nose and stuff was burning real bad. She went to the emergency room. Really wasn't nothing they could do for her or nothing. So we just came back home, thugged it out, man. Got on them vitamins and all that, water and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's why y'all ain't heard nothing from me, man. I wanted to record, but it was like, what was I gonna record? I couldn't go outside. Well, I didn't go outside. I came outside and was in the yard and stuff like that. But I ain't really do nothing. I ain't really do too much. Yeah. She like I said, she caught the bad end. But we back now, man. We back. Kids didn't get it. The baby didn't get it. Girls, Ashton, then nobody else have it. So, like I said, I'm trying to figure out where I got it from. I don't know if I got it from a gas pump or I don't know. I don't know where it came from, because it was like an all of a sudden thing. So I don't know. But we back now, man. We back. So today I'm finna get out. Well, today I've been riding. I went and picked Ashton up from school. Man, I was out with my dog Brand Nasty earlier. And what else? That was pretty much it. I ain't did too much. I might get out and ride a little bit today. Hit my dog James Jr., man, see if you wanna put it out today or whatever. Hit a couple blocks or whatever. But yeah, man. Just keep y'all updated with me, man. I'm back now, man. I'm back, man. So man, y'all stay masked up. Hand sanitizer, spray sanitizer, Lysol. Man, I got a can of Lysol in the car. Y'all know me, like, I don't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? When I go somewhere, I don't get out the car. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know where it came from, but yeah, man, that's where we was at with it. So like I said, I'm gonna call my dog James Jr. here in a minute, man, see if he wanna hit a few blocks or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna sit there and smoke me a cigar, man. Got me a good cold Corona. Where my bread? I had a good cold Corona. I think it's in the house. But yeah. So that's that. But yeah. Try to get y'all some footage, man. I gotta get back on my footage now. So yeah.